Cancer friends. Welcome to Moonlight Lotus Tarot. I'm Mickey. We are doing your January love reading. Sorry it is a bit late. I have not been feeling that great. But I do want to make sure we get this out for you. This is the third time actually I've tried to do your reading. Had technical issues, barking dogs, all kinds of trouble. So we are just gonna plunge our way through this. So this is for your, again, your mid-January to mid-February love reading. And again, this is a new stick here, so I'm gonna relight it. Sometimes they go out quickly. The Palo Santo does not like to stay lit, if you are familiar with it, especially when it's new here. But, okay, so we are cleansing your cards and inviting in your spirit guides, angels, ancestors for your love reading. Okay, that feels good. Thank you, spirit guides. All right, so again, this is your love reading, but it can, thank you, spirit guides. It can pertain to friends, family. Thank you, spirit guides. Anyone you are thinking of. So we have getting to know each other, express your love, children. Okay. Retreat, let go of control issues, and reconciliation. Beautiful. Okay. So what do we have? Pardon me, I am sorry. I do have a cold that I am getting over, so please forgive me. Getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Yes. Definitely getting that sense of trusting one another. Feeling trust might be difficult for you, Cancers. Like that deep trust. Like, see how she's laying on the lap here, but her head is still up, like not real comfortable. And you have your little guardian angels up here saying, it's okay, you know, do that deep building work. It's okay to trust. You have express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So whether you're currently with this person, I'm feeling a lot of you are already in a romantic situation and you're having a difficult time doing that deeper relationship building, you know, that deeper dive, you know, the flirtiness, the getting to know you phase is good, but now that that phase is over, I'm hearing rekindling. Maybe you're already in a deep connection, you know, a deeper connection, but it's been off the rails for a little while for some of you, and you're trying to do some rekindling. Also, sorry to get off track, but I just heard rekindling. Could be that some of you had or have children together, or one of you has children and that's part of the issue. Or pets. Being drawn to the pets here. But communication, I'm coming back to communication too. That's an issue. Could be that you need to communicate about the children. Maybe you need to get away together for a little while. It's time to disconnect from the world. Or maybe just you, Cancer, you need to get away for a little while and figure out what you really want, what you really need. Reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. So could be that some of you are going to have somebody come back. Could be that the person that you're already with is, you're going to have that rekindling, that reconciliation. You know, you're going to have that deeper connection, move it to a further level. And let go of control issues. Yes, Cancers. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. You cannot make it happen exactly the way you want. You can't write it. Divine timing, I'm hearing, with these angels up here. It has to go according to plan. You can't make somebody do what you want. Okay, I love it. All right, so let's go to your main tarot. And we're going to see what we have for your main tarot. I'm using the Light Seers Tarot. For your main spread. Okay. So we have the Two of Cups with the Moon. Yeah, so you're thinking of, you know, a person you really care about here with this Two of Cups, somebody you really love and care for, but it's feeling kind of murky. You know, the way ahead might be foggy. You're not sure where to go. You know, with this Two of Cups, it's somebody you really love. The Two of Cups is that, you know, that romantic love, that person that you really care about, somebody you really want to have a partnership with. But with the Moon, it's, you know, something isn't clear to you. You know, you feel like you might be drowning in unseen things. You know, feeling like it's like you might be missing something, or feeling overwhelmed with something. I'm so sorry, guys. I tried to wait as long as I could, but I really wanted to get these out to you. Seven of Swords. All right, yeah. Feeling like your person might be being sneaky or betraying you somehow. Or maybe you are. This can also be those like little white lies, or feeling like you need a change, like you might need to move in a different direction. And feeling like betrayal is a big one. Whether it's perceived betrayal or if it's actual betrayal. The way this crow is like calling out and the way he's sneaking away, I'm getting that sense of you feel betrayed in some way. And again, it doesn't have to be actual betrayal. It could be those like little white lies for something. Only you feel like, even though they're little things add up. So sometimes that's why you have a hard time really expressing yourself, because you don't like those little things. You feel, I'm hearing trapped Why do I hear trapped? I'm not sure. Maybe you feel trapped in a situation. All right, what else, spirit guides? Now take this how it resonates. It can always be vice versa. Okay. So it looks like here you want to be more independent. You want to feel this freedom. You're having this awakening, these epiphanies, and you might want to go in a new direction here with this Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands is also communication. This is also my communication card. I'm going to take a sip of water here. Sorry about that, guys. So what I'm getting is a freedom with this Nine of Cups. Freedom, and with the Ace of Swords here, freedom to have like new ideas, freedom to put your ideas into place and go in the direction you want to go. Make changes if you need to make changes. I'm also feeling like news is coming to you quickly. Conversations. These conversations and these deep, you know, getting to know you, these deep dives to deepen your connection here, I'm feeling like you're going to have to have these conversations. So there's some of you who might need to go into a new direction, honestly. And there's some of you who need to have these conversations to deepen your connection. I'm getting a couple scenarios here. All right, what else, my Cancer friends? Yeah, looks good though. You're gonna head in the direction that you need to go. I do feel there are definitely some of you that's going to have someone come back with this Six of Cups and this reconciliation. And I was also hearing that, you know, as well. All right, what else, please, Cancers? Yeah, you're having that anxiety still. We are going to do some more digging and find out why. All right, so Knight of Cups, Two of Pentacles, the Hermit. Yeah, Seven of Cups. It's like you have some choices to make. You have this connection that you're very... Oh, I see another message here. I'm drawn to this message, this Knight of Cups. So you have to do some talking. That is definitely apparent. Whether you're going to stay with this person and deepen the connection, or whether you're going to sever ties with your person. You're having some anxiety about whether it is a perceived, you know, betrayal of some sort. You're going to have some conversations, and some of you are going to go in a new direction, but I'm feeling some of you might end it. And, well, again, you'll be going in a new direction. You'll just be going on your own, which some of you are going to be okay with. Again, there's like, I'm feeling two main groups of you. So we're going to clarify. Sorry about the dogs, guys. I guess they agree there's two main groups of you. Eight of Cups, yeah. There's definitely some of you that are going to be moving away from your person and starting again. This Five of Cups, you're just unhappy. You're unhappy about the way the situation is. And so you're going to be moving away. You're going to restart. You're going to use this Fool, and you're going to restart on your own. You know, you're going to take this Sun card and this Nine of Cups, and you're going to move away and have a fresh start that you're happy with. All right, so let's clarify the Seven of Swords, please. What is going on with this Seven of Swords? Spirit guides, angels, ancestors. The Seven of Swords, please. Thank you. Eight of Pentacles. Okay. So it's going to require work to get past whatever that situation is. And you need to decide if you want to put in the work. Some of you will and some of you won't. Because I'm feeling like there's different degrees, you know. The Seven of Swords isn't always like, you know, doom and gloom. It can be those little white lies, like maybe somebody was keeping secrets from you because they were, you know, trying to hide a night on the town from you. You know, it can also be, you know, they've been cheating on you, or, you know, something more serious. You have to have these deep conversations and determine what exactly it is and decide if you want to do the work in this relationship. So let's clarify this Eight of Swords, please, this anxiety. Now, the Eight of Swords is self-inflicted anxiety. It's you can release yourself from these bonds at any time. You know, so let's see what you're going to do here with this Eight of Swords. Thank you, Spirit Guides. Two of Pentacles. Yeah, that doesn't help much. That's still deciding. That's choices weighing on you. Yeah, that's you deciding what you're going to do. So let's get more information. What are you going to decide here, Spirit Guides? Angels, thank you. Nine of Wands. All right. So the Nine of Wands is that, you know, boundaries, that like wounded warrior. You've been through the fight. You've fought all the battles. You know, you're still ready to fight more. You're like ready to win the war now. You've been through it all. You're looking out in the distance, ready and waiting for what else is to come. So I feel like this is for those of you who are ready to put this in the past and go for your own glory. Those of you who need this freedom. And you're just going to go ahead and leave whatever is hurting you in the past. Whether it's a person, a relationship, it could be a friendship. Like I said, it doesn't have to be, you know, completely love related. This could be a person, a friendship in your life. It could be a family member, you know. But I feel like some of you have decided that this is a relationship that's dragging you down. It's keeping you from your true happiness, and you're going for your true happiness. All right. I love it. Yeah, you're getting rid of everything that doesn't make you happy. Because you're this Empress. You're this Empress. And you're putting everything that makes you unhappy aside. All right, guys. Let's get you some Lovers Oracles. See what the Lovers Oracles have to say, and we'll wrap it up for you, my beautiful Cancer friends. What else for my beautiful Cancer friends? Any advice? Anything their partner wants to say? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. There we go. It is important right now to take a step back and spend some time alone instead of placing your focus on another. Now is time to give to yourself. Oh, beautiful. Yes, absolutely. Do that retreat. Like I said, perhaps some of you need to take a retreat by yourself and really decide what it is you need. You know, do you want to do that reconciliation? You know, do you want to do that hard work that it's going to take? Or is it time to, you know, just let go and find your own freedom? All right. Forgiveness. Stop focusing your energy on past events, for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality by what you think, dream, and imagine. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, absolutely. Some of you are going to be forgiving. You're going to be expressing your love. You're going to get to know each other. It comes down to having those conversations, figuring out what it is you need. Look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. Oh, beautiful. Yes. Regardless of gender, your person is letting you know they love you. And, you know, you've got this Knight of Cups as the overall. And I really do feel that you are going to have these conversations with this message coming in. You have the Eight of Wands with this, you know, conversation. Definitely conversations here, and they want to talk to you. Criticizing one another will only lead to further unhappiness. Love and accept each other as you are, and your relationship will magically transform. Beautiful. Yeah, only you can decide, Cancer, what scenario you are in. If you are ready to have these conversations, let go of the control issues, if you're ready to work on it with your partner, have this relationship come together, deepen, rekindle, or if you're ready to split, you know, and become your own sun and your own true happiness. And that doesn't mean you won't meet somebody down the road. I'm sure you will. You just have to decide what it is you need right now, because tarot is a snapshot in time. Things change. You have free will. You decide what it is you want to do. All right, my beautiful friends, I hope this helped. Check out your Venus sign for more information. Leave me a like, subscribe, and share. And if you would like a private reading, check out the information below. Thank you so much, guys. I love you.